Hassan was originally the first hotel in Tel Aviv. The Drisco is a true city icon. It's set in the picturesque American-German colony near Neve Tzedek and is just a few minutes away from the beach and Old Jaffa. The city design is influenced mainly from an early Ottoman design, seen in the amazing hand-painting murals, the architecture, and furniture. The hotel offers a rich breakfast buffet or romantic dinner at the chef-led George and John restaurant. Grab a late-night drink at the bar, located in the decorated lobby. The Drisco Hotel offers a mix of several rooms and suites. You can pick up the classic room with a lavish king bed and a marble bathroom. If you want to go all in a luxury, you can stay at the Sir Hardegg spacious suite with a private terrace, a king bedroom and marble bathroom with a walk-in shower. Check out the Darius Spa with a large range of massage and beauty treatments for some self-care time. You can even get your nails done here. Want to check out the available dates and prices? Click on the link below.